Binary arithmetic subtraction. Subtraction rule says 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is 1 with borrow of 1 from next left column. We will borrow 1 from the next left column. How it is being proceeded? Let us take one example. Let us take one example. It says 0, 1, 1 from 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. We subtract this 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. How to subtract? 1 minus 1, according to the rule says it is 1, 1. 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is 1, but it has to borrow from the next left column. See, here it is 0, it cannot give another 1, so it has to borrow. This column step also has to borrow from the next left column. So it will borrow from here, it become, say, 1 0. As in binary number, 1 0 counted as 2 because it has 2 digits only. So this is counted as to be 2. Now this again borrow, this gives again 0 borrow from the next left column. It becomes again 1, and the 1 0 means again 2. 1 0 means 2. Now you can see that this is 2. In binary number, when 1 is borrowed, this 1 in decimal we say 10, but in binary number we say 1 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now this 2, it has been borrowed from here, so this 2 will be left as 1 only. So this 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 according to the binary number, it is 1. Now it has already, the V1 already had been borrowed from the, it has already given 1 to the next column. So it becomes, this reduces to 0 only. Now 0 minus 1, again 0 minus 1. This is 0, it has to borrow from the next left column. It borrowed from here, it become 1 0. Again 1 0 means 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, and this we left with 0, we will have 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is my result. Now how to check it? Check whether we have done correct or not. Let us see. 1 1 0 0 1. This is my binary number. We convert it into decimal form. How? How many digits are there after 1? 1 2 3 4. So 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus again 1 into 1 2 3 next digits 2 to the power 3 plus 0 1 2 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. This whole reduces to 16 plus 8. This give me the result as 1, which is equal to 25. For next, I will say 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 to the base. I convert this into the decimal form. This give me the result as 0. Need not to write. It's a don't have any value. So 1, I will say 1 into 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power, again it is 0, 0 you don't have any value. So 0 it will become 1, 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. This give me the result as 8. This is 0 plus 2, that is 10. So subtract 25 minus 10. You will see 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. Let us check about the result. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Let us see to the base 2. 0 into 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1, 2, 3. Again reduce 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. Let us see how much I will get. This is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 15. Now we check that on subtracting these two. In a decimal form, we get answer as 15, and again the result we after subtraction, this also give me the result as 15. It means the subtraction has done it's correct. Let us take one more example. This is my first example. I will take one more example. In this example, so next example is subtract these two binary number. We will subtract 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Subtract these two numbers. 1 minus 1, according to the rule, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Now 0 minus 1, it cannot be subtracted. It has to borrow 1 from the next left column. But again, it doesn't have any number. It will borrow to the next. So this will be borrowed by this 0 and it become 1 0. And this means 2. In binary number 1 0, it has 2 digits, so it become 2. So this 2 is being borrowed by 1 borrowed by it will borrow 1 from this 2. It become again 1 2 1 0. That 2 digits becomes 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. This, since it has been borrowed from here, so 2 reduces to 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. And then again it already given 1 to the next column, so it reduces to 0 only. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now let us check whether it is correct or not. Check. 1 0 0 1 0 1 to the base 2. How I will write? 1 into 2 to the power. See, 1 2 3 4 5 digits are there. 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So on solving, I will get 2 to the power 5 means 32 plus 0 0 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 2 to the power 2 is 4 plus 0. 2 to the power 0 is 1. This give me the result as 37. For next, I have 0 1 1 0 0 1 to the base 2. This give me the result as 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. On calculating, 2 to the power 4 means 16 plus 8 plus 0 0 again 1. I will get 25. So subtract 37 from 25. I get 12. Let me check whether this is correct or not. Our result is 0 0 1 1 0 0 to the base 2. So 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power 0. Let me check. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. Again 0. 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 2 to the power 2 is 4. That I left with 8 plus 2, 4 is 12. So result is 12. So hence we have checked it, and this is the way how we have to subtract the two binary numbers.